Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be replacing my rear driver's side barn door with a fold out table. So I went to my local hardware store, Bunnings, and just got a sheet of aluminium and just a few little pieces, stretch loop, just some cable wire and shot cord button, so that allows these stretch loops to hook onto there when the table is folded up. So this will all be aluminium steel with a fold down table, so it should look pretty good. And also picked up myself a Red Bull. Just wait till Kai gets here and we'll get started taking that off. Cutting this, I should have enough. I've measured the door 900 length and then also 450 width, so it should be alright. Okay, so as soon as I start taking this off, it starts raining. But anyway, we'll continue it in the rain. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, put the door card on the aluminium, get a texture and trace it. But I'll do it inside the garage so it's all nice and dry. But yeah, it wasn't that hard to get this off. A few little clips came off just from the back there, but that's nothing too major because I'm not going to use them anyway, I don't think. I think I'll just drill straight into the holes, or screw straight into the holes. I think I hear a TD.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so I've just cut out the backing plate over there, and then got the table 600 wide and 300 in length, 350 in length, but we'll cut it down 10 mil so it fits perfectly. See how this part here?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's pretty good for a first cut.
Yeah, it's a good cut. And then just round that bit off there. It's not rounded off yet. That looks sick, bro.
Alright, so I just marked it out where it is 165 and 5 mil in each gap. Alright, so I just cut this piece, just grinded it down to make it straight. And now I'm just putting the hinge on. Just got a long hinge for the middle, Right, so I've just cut this piece here, did a little bit of grinding to get it straight, and now just marked out the hinge so it is it's all even, 54mm from that side and that side, so it's in even. Then I got one tack screw in, and now I'm going to do the other one and then start measuring out the door. Done a little bit of marking on there, so yeah, we'll get started. Alright, so I've got the 2 side tack screws in now just to hold it in place. So I'll do 2 more here. I'll leave the other side ones out, but I'll do 2 more here as I want it to be steady in the middle for when putting plates and stuff on it like that. So quickly do that and start marking out the door. Alright, so what I've done is I've just marked it out using a level, so to get it accurate, so it sits accurate and not on an angle like this, so it sits nice and straight. Alright, so finally got the wire string on. It's holding it nicely now. Just got to do this other side here, and it is sitting level. Oh, focus. There we go. It is sitting level pretty much. So, but I can always adjust that anyway if I want it to sit more down. But yeah, so far so good. So I'll continue on with this side now. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. So I mainly did this for just a great idea for camping. So this was just under $70 to make, or you can just go buy one for like 500 bucks. But I wanted to have some fun, try and make it myself, and that's what I have accomplished here. So yeah, turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment and a sub, and I'll see you in the next video.